Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in Firecracker Red. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black 3-piece hardtop, incandescent tail lamps, two-way manual lumbar adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, rear compartment storage tray, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5621.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.